You might already know from their videos that an 8-figure agency owner,
Engineering didn't get me to Google. YouTube did.
a YouTuber who's running the biggest editing cohort in India,
Bro, I can't reach him. I can't reach him.
teamed up with this guy to start a marketing agency in Bangalore, and we got Google as our first client. Now, all three co-founders being content creators might have played a role, but that was least of our concerns walking into Google's office. They've made a beautiful office, by the way. It's almost as good as ours. And this is the story of our first shoot inside Google's biggest office in the world. But landing Google as a client wasn't even half the battle. But executing such a big project in half a day was a much bigger challenge.
As you know, we started an agency.
And we just landed our first client. I don't think you need to guess who it is, because what they have opened in Bangalore is the biggest Google campus.
It's one of the biggest companies in the world. Google.
And what better way to show it other than an FPV drone? That is why this guy has been called up, our FPV drone pilot. 3 different floors on 3 different shoots simultaneously on 3 different cameras.
Yeah. One's an FPV. One's a gimbal walkthrough. And one's something that we're going to figure out on the way.
Someone started playing with us like this. It just went on his head.
I almost...
You can literally do a transition from his head, you know.
And while Rishi was wrapping up the lobby shot, I managed to finish half of the gimbal walkthrough.
सुबह सुबह उठ के कैसा लग रहा है?
नहीं, आज उतना सुबह नहीं उठना पड़ा है compared to last time. But there are multiple videos, multiple photos that I have to go. वीडियो यहाँ का चालू कर दो यार. यहाँ का वीडियो चालू कर दो. ठीक है. यहाँ का वीडियो होगा, then उधर in the other outlet there are 5 different outlets जिसको हमें कवर करना है. Majorly video. उसका brief मिला है. And yeah, I think lunch time इसी में हो जाएगा हमारा. ठीक.
और कल भी शूट है.
कल मुझे भी पता चला there is another client shoot जिसके लिए मुझे सुबह उठना पड़ेगा. And meanwhile, Tarun was planning the 3rd video and coordinating with the clients.
So Rishi is on the FPV right now, and Sankho and Bhupendra, both of them are doing the food shots. I think like 2 shoots going in parallel. We'll have to rush again. Chalo, let's go.
While Tarun and I were done with our shoots, we jumped in to help Rishi direct the FPV shoot.
So we have one take, one single take, going from through 2 locations.
Yeah.
Utsav, Chaimari, coming back. One take, one attempt. Okay.
A lot of people, a lot of technicalities, a lot of adjustments we have to do inside the shoot. And we don't have time. We don't have literally time for anything. Rishi, what are you saying? How's it going?
We literally have 10 minutes to take the shot. Okay.
You only have 1 battery charged.
I have, this is on the second battery, we have 1 more battery, but the time is we just have 10 minutes to finish the shot.
Because people
will start coming.
Yeah, people will start coming.
2, 1, go! Got it?
We got to go.
So अभी we are done with almost everything. 5th floor में थोड़ी एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें आई थी जो ऋषि कवर करके आ रहा है खुद. यहाँ पे मैं और भूपेंद्र ने सब कुछ ख़त्म कर दिया है. एंड द टाइम इज़, हम लोग सुबह 11 बजे आए थे, अभी ऑलमोस्ट 6 बजने वाला है. ग्रेट डे दो, ग्रेट डे. काफ़ी अच्छी शूट्स गई, काफ़ी chaos I would say, but good chaos. I don't mind. Well, sadly, we have been told to leave our Google badges at the reception.
The only memorabilia we had. But the good news is, we're done with the shoot.
Yes.
Google seems happy, and not a bad start for Adco Bangalore, as Google was our first project. So,
couldn't have asked for a better start.
Yeah.
We still haven't finished our first month.
we started finished the first one.
And yes, I'm pretty new to this all agency thing. And although I've been doing content creation for quite some time, the biggest challenge among all of this is to manage my life, my agency, and my YouTube and all the other things that I do about content. Notion takes care of all the information, the collaboration, managing team members and all of that. But managing my own day and properly allocating it to different things, that is all done inside of Akiflow. So basically every day before going to sleep, I list down all the tasks inside of Akiflow, and the Akiflow AI allots the tasks to the most appropriate domains of life, or as they like to call it, projects, Mine is life, Adco, my agency, and also content. After that is done, I just need to drag each task to the calendar to block a perfect chunk of time. And ever since I got a MacBook, this command space has been a constant part of my workflow. Akiflow can fit right in with their command K command bar, which can do almost anything inside of Akiflow. And the ritual and the stats feature helps me immensely to look over how I have been productive, how I'm working, my patterns of working, because those are extremely important to schedule my day going forward. It is basically like a performance review meeting with your manager, but I don't have a manager anymore. I am the manager. So I really need Akiflow to tell me where I'm going wrong, where I'm going right. But if you don't have a manager like me, that is sad for you. But you can still use Akiflow to be your most productive self and crush all of your goals. So click the first link in the description to book a one-on-one onboarding call for absolutely free with the official Akiflow team. By the way, thanks a lot to Akiflow for making today's video possible. And it's quite great how things have been turning out. In the first month, getting Google as a client, landing multiple other clients, and we're doing great work. We are scaling their engagement, their conversions. That all is good. By the way, if you are a brand or a business that is looking for anything related to marketing, especially online marketing, do reach out to us on our Instagram, that's right here. But coming back to a little personal note, something that Rishi has been telling me ever since we started this agency is that he built his agency, he grew it a lot over the last 4 years, and he never got the chance to document the building phase. And he always keeps telling me that, bro, you have the chance, you should definitely document it, because this is not going to come back again. But in recent times, I have been a little confused about where do I want my YouTube channel to go. We are done with the... but I think the bigger question is whether you guys want to watch me build this agency, me living this new phase of my life, and also me trying to look more like a founder, right? I mean, I still look like a college kid, honestly, like a little grown-up college kid. That change has to happen, and something has to shift. I don't know. I want to go all in on vlogging my life, on vlogging how we are getting this thing off the ground. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to watch more of these videos. If you want the vlog season 4 to be much more top notch, I'll do it for you guys. And honestly, all these feels very unreal. Having our own office, working from it, building it every single day. We're still buying things for the office. It feels unreal. We're spending a lot of money into the office, but it feels unreal. Really unreal. How things have changed over the last 1 year. Maybe I'll make a video about it. 365 days after quitting my job. Interesting.